Ever wonder why yawning is so contagious? It is a common human experience we all share. On average, we yawn about 20 times daily. But why do we do it spontaneously sometimes, like when you're tired or others around you yawn? Scientists call this fascinating behavior social mirroring. It is when we unconsciously imitate someone else. This mirroring happens because we see actions as useful. Even many animals display similar mirroring behaviors, from dogs imitating their owners to monkeys copying each other. They learn from others' actions in their groups. It helps strengthen social bonds and understanding. So your yawn is more than just feeling sleepy. It is a deep, ancient social connection. Pretty amazing, right? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more cool science facts.